Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today question number 18 we have 5 divided by 3 parentheses 4 minus 1. Okay, try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get featured in this our shortcut list. Whatever answer will be, I will give you shortcut here. We will use here the PEMDAS. Okay, simple math by using stepwise method. So we will rewrite our question here 5 divided by 3 4 minus 1. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first preference will be given to parenthesis. So we will operate this parenthesis part first. So here 4 minus 1 which equals to 3. So we will write here 5 divided by 3 times 3. Okay, now many solve like this: 5 divided by 3 times 3, that is equal to 9, or you can say 5 divided by 9. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. So we will operate in a right way: 5 divided by 3 times 3. Here two operations are there, division and multiplication. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, both have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate from left to right. Okay, so first we will operate this part. 5 by 3 can be written as like this: 5 over 3. Okay, so we can rewrite here like this. Okay, now this is very simplified way. You can say 3 times 1, 3 times 1, or you can say 5. So here 5 is the right answer, and if you are seniors then must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.